Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing this game called Dark and Light Halo. Yeah, I'm playing this game, so you guys should try and go play it. But this game is about Royal High, about the Halo, the most rare thing, I think, and I'm trying to get it. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing this game. Yeah, okay. I think we should start with that. Okay. So to get the 2 Halo, you need patience. It'll take time to get it, cause it's all about luck. And if you achieve it, you'll realize that it's worth the wait. Yep. I tried 1,000 times and didn't work. I think if I'll just keep trying, it will work. Anyways, all of this is from the people who got the Halo. I commented all of their stories, so it'll be easier. Yep, sure. We'll start with the Light Halo because I'm obsessed with the Light Halo when I want to get it. Yeah. To get the Light Halo, you must have the Lily story. And Lily will say that earlier, a bully took my diamonds that I was about to throw into the fountain. Then you will hand her 5 diamonds and she will give you a gift, which is the Halo. I'm not real sure about it, but I think it will work because all the people talk about the Lulu story and her bully, I don't know. But I didn't get that story, I just kept resetting. So yeah. There is a lot of stories where, there's a lot of stories where you can get the Dark Halo. So in the story, you can actually get the Dark Halo with the Lily story. You will hand her 100 diamonds, and you will charge your mind and said that you wanted it back. And then she will say that you're evil, and you will achieve the badge. You'll achieve the badge, including the Dark Halo. So this is about the Dark Halo, I think. Anyways, the next one, a Dark Halo story, I guess. Okay, Dark Halo. Another kind of story to get the Dark Halo is the Dark Fairy. Yeah, look, okay? You need to toss 50 diamonds, and the Dark Fairy will say that I will grant you with this special gift, and it's the Halo. Wait, oh. So, yeah, wait, did we read that one? I'm actually willing to try one of these. I don't know. I just want a Halo, no matter if it's a Dark Halo or a Light Halo. Anyway, the Light Halo, sorry. The other way to get the Halo should have this kind of story. You looked into the fountain and decided to throw some diamonds. You should toss 5 diamonds. And then, after throwing some diamonds in, you waited for 5 minutes. But nothing happens. You start crying. When a light fairy sits by your side and asks you if you will accept his gift, and it's the Light Halo. Ooh. Okay. The Dark Halo, I guess. To get the Dark Halo, the story that you should is the Fire and Ice Fairy story or whatever. You need to toss 5 diamonds and they will hand you the Dark Halo. I actually wanna try all of these. I'm so mad if these don't work. Anyways, the last one, and it's the Light Halo. you must have the turtle story. And you should give 100 diamonds. And you'll try to touch it. And then, suddenly, the turtle transforms into somebody. And then, he or she will give you the light halo. Ooh. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you like it. If you wanna try getting a halo, play this game. I think they will work, but I will make a video where I try one of these because I can't try all of them. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.